On this video, we'll be learning how to make ebook cover presentation, and we'll be making use of this website called diyebookcovers.com. diyebookcovers.com. You can see the right top. So once you get there, this is where we'll be using book design. You can see we'll be making use of these 3D mockups. So once you allow it to load, okay, this is where we'll be using. You can see these are different book designs for your presentation. For someone who may want to create an ebook just for business sake or marketing, content marketing, this will help you a lot. So now we must have our cover design generated or created before we can make use of this. You can say this is composite, this is combination of 2 or 3, this is single. So now let's make use of Canva to make something out for our book cover. Remember how to make use of Canva. We'll type book cover. So type book cover on the search button, you allow it to load. So I think it's loading. Sorry about the delay. Okay, you can see these are different designs for your book. So you can pick anyone you are okay with and you edit. So imagine this. So if this is what I want to work on, I can decide to just click on it. Once I click on it, all that is needed is just to make some edit here. Like this day, I can decide to change it. I can change this color to a different color. You can see I can change it to a different color. Or I can undo it. This is to undo. You can see. So I can decide to change. I can decide to, let me delete this. Like my dark side. Then I'll delete this. So I'll just leave this very to bold. Okay, bold. I think the distance, the spacing is much, so I'll have to do some. Okay, so that's not it. Let me delete this and write on this very one, my dark side. So that is it. You can type your name here, but just make sure you must have all the details. You can type I don't like this loneliness, obviously. Or the lonely journey. Okay, this is it. So all I need to do is once I'm done, I can just click on download. Click on download. Then go back to the site where we'll be doing the ebook cover presentation, diyebookcovers.com. Remember, once you visit, click the 3D mockups. Then your first step is to choose your design format. So if this is, I will just take a look at these pictures to pick the ones I want to make use of. So if this is what I want to use, I'll just click on this. Then I'll come here, click on next. You can see this is where you are to upload the book details. So I'll click on browse, locate that very image I was downloaded. I think the very image I was downloaded came in PDF. That's supposed to be in PDF. I'll change it to JPEG. Sorry. So that is one thing. PNG is without background, JPEG is with background, and PDF is that book format. So we're supposed to download this in. Yes, that's what I want. So now I'll go back, click on this, go to download, select this image, open it. Then you click on upload. You can see it's loading. So this is the design. So the next thing is to click on next. Okay, you can see this part is the spine aspect of the design. So it's more like the edge, the side of the book. So you must have to prepare for that as well. So I'll just make use of this second one. Click on browse, select. Okay, let me just select same thing. It will not appear much. Now click upload. You can see that's the loading. So next is, I'll click on next. So this is our presentation. So I will download them in two formats. I'll download PNG without a background, so that if I want to make use of it later, I'll use it. I'll also download JPEG, that is with a background. So now let's go back to this Canva and do something. I already have my ebook presentation design. So if I want to make some designs, like, let me add another page. So I want to make some online designs. Okay, so let me try to import that I've already designed. Let me click on upload from device. This is what we have. So this is it. You can see that is a book presentation. See what just happened. So this one came without a background. That's it. This came without a background. Then let's look at the second one to see the difference between PNG and JPEG. You can see that this one came with a white background, this one without a background. So that is just one thing about the both. So once you have it this way, you are good to take your photo, or let me say your book cover online. So that is how to design book cover, 3D book cover, using your Canva and the diyebookcovers.com.